how to get back your hacked Instagram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get back your hacked Instagram account. Well, unlike before, now Instagram has a dedicated team that you can contact to. If you can't log into your ID, simply head over to your browser, your Chrome or Safari, anything you like, and go to this page. I'll just quickly show you. Type in for hacked Instagram account and it'll take you to this page, and here on the top you can find the official page of Instagram. You can tap in and open it. You can see the first option if you think your Instagram account has been hacked. Now scroll down this and here you'll find the option visit this page. Now open it up. Once this opens up, you can see why can't you get into your account. Now tap on my account was hacked and tap on next. Now it will ask for your username, email, and you can see I've got varieties of options here. Now if you can't find your email, if you can't find your username or password, now you can go to recover your password and do the following steps that it asks to, and if you follow all these steps you will be able to get back your hacked Instagram account. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.